my pickaxe is gonna break. I am pretty damn certain of it. What's that? Quantum ore. Quantum ore. Can you make quantum computers or something like that? Ah, iron! You guys like diamonds or whatever, just get all the iron. If I do find diamonds now, I've pretty much skipped out the iron stage and just gone straight to the diamond stage. I don't know why I'm going back here, but oh well. Continuing on. Let's get the quantum stuff. I'm gonna run out of space soon. Oh my god, the amount of cobblestone I have. I have a feeling that there are no diamonds here. Which is a shame. Yeah. Big shame. But, which means this place I can, you know, pour water on and I can get some, you know, stuff, whatever it's called, you know, obsidian, that's it. But hey, no diamonds here, and my picture out. So, yeah, to the surface, we have a bit more iron. I might make some armor. But we'll see. We probably need a bit more. Normally I make armor when I got about a 64 stack. Almost back. La, 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 la. And we're back to see my house. Yeah, not much of my house still, but still. I'm gonna get rid of all this cobblestone, it's all pointless. Aluminium, no EMC value stuff. If you have EMC value, I don't know how you'd change that for other stuff. I don't know what the equivalent to the condenser is. So I need to look that up. Okay. Is it now nighttime? It's getting nighttime, so it's a good time to be here. Let's put the iron in there. Not gonna put the uranium in there. Bad idea. Do not set uranium on fire, because I don't assume it will do very good stuff. Unstable door. Dimensional door. Oh yeah, you can get dimensional doors. I haven't come across any of them yet. At least I haven't seen any. Maybe you've seen any. Maybe you've seen some. But I haven't yet. I've seen them before, but I haven't seen them in this episode. This series. Yep. What is this? Observer dependent block. Is that another quantum craft thing? Yeah, Q-craft. Another thing to do with the quantum dust stuff. Which sounds very high-tech. Maybe we can... Force manipulator. Modular force field system. Modular force... There's so much stuff you'd never use. Oh my god. I import bus. Don't look like a bus. Anyway, horse armor. I've never actually seen how you actually make horse armor. Can you actually make it? I've never known how you actually make it. Anyway. It's night time. Let's go to bed. Good morning. Okay. Copper ingot. Lovely. If you hold down shift, it comes up with the EMC value. That's cool. Ah, it comes up with stacks. That's quite cool. Interesting. Aluminium, let's put some of that in. Okay, we're gonna get very pale skin. Being inside all the time. How's our wheat grown? A little bit. Hello, sheep. God, I just want to stop building on this mountain. Oh, oh my God, it's a slime. I saw you ages ago. Have you made your way here? He saw me too, and he's taken a very long time, but he's a slime. He's been coming to kill me. It's a battle to the death. One down, 4 to go. 4 down, a lot more to go. Oh my God. Whoa, 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 holy ho, ho, holy ho. Oh, you can't do any damage. Haha, noobs. Oh God, alright. What's your name? Yes, right, yeah, dead. Okay, lots of slow. Oh my God. Oh, I left one. You shall pay for your crimes. Okay. Very nice. Very nice as well. What kind of armor can we get? Armor. God, this search is terrible. Am I even spelling armor? How's you spell that? Wow, this is absolutely terrible. Armor. Ah. Ooh. Oh, they're the jetpacks. Leadstone jetpacks. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Armor. So, interesting ones. Interesting helmets, I assume. Oh my God. Sensor glasses. Interesting. Heavy duty helmet. Ooh. Invar helmet. Logistics HUD. Oh, that sounds cool. We should get some of them. Can we make it? Uh. A soldering station. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, that's expensive. Screw you. Nobody cares. We need everything. Everything. Okay. Let's go. Inside. You can go away. You're done. You can go in. I guess I've got to keep mining, haven't I? Let's make 2 diamond pickaxes. Two diamond pickaxes. Come on, Sam. You're not at that stage yet. Gah. There's no need to look forward to the greatest stuff, because you're never going to get it. Don't worry. Oh, we'll get it. Don't worry. We'll get really, really good stuff. Unfortunately, I need to find a way to swap out the stuff that we don't need, which the condenser did before, but we don't have that, which is annoying. But anyway, okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down one more, so we're on level 12, and we're gonna start mining for diamonds. Iron. Iron already. This is also iron level as well, which is awesome. Probably isn't iron level, but still. Let's just keep going. Can't see anything. Need light. Okay. I'm just gonna avoid some of this pointless stuff right now, because we don't need it. See, I can see now. Again, sorry if there are massive just episodes purely just